Hey guys, welcome to the Lost Wanderers YouTube channel. So what we're all about, we're going to be doing things like how-tos. So I'm a mechanic, so I'm going to be showing you how to do maintenance on your vehicles at home. I want to show that everyone who's a four-wheel driver should be able to know how to work on their vehicle, especially when you're out bush. If something goes wrong, you want to know how to fix it. At home's the best place to start learning. Do your own small little DIYs. So I'm going to be doing that, and it's all going to be done in the backyard with DIY tools, nothing special, nothing overly fancy. So yeah, then we're going to do product reviews. I've been camping four-wheel driving for nearly 10 years now, so I've used a variety of different products. I know it works for me. I'm just going to share a bit of insight there. I've used everything from swags to tents to rooftop tents. I'm on my second one now. Use a variety of different tents, gazebos, tarps. You name it, I've tried it. Want to see what works best. I'll give my little bit of insight for that. And lastly, we're going to start doing videos of trips we do. So four driving, overnighters, camping, day trips, doing little videos, showcasing where we're going. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. First video will be out very shortly.